how to install iMessage game or how to play iMessage games. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can install or play iMessage games. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and click on where it says set. Go ahead and open your settings. When you open your settings, navigate to the message side. So here it is, guys. So just go ahead and open your message. So make sure your iMessage is toggled on. If it's toggled off, go ahead and toggle it on. When you toggle it on, you have to wait for some few seconds for it to sync. It's going to register you with your phone number or your email or iCloud email. So when you are done doing this, when you make sure this is toggled on, go ahead and go out of your settings. Go ahead and open your app store. When you open your app store, I want you to search for an application called Game Pigeon. So when you search for Game Pigeon, go ahead and click on Game Pigeon. When you open your Game Pigeon, make sure your Game Pigeon is open, guys. Make sure it's open. As you can see, guys, make sure it's installed. You can go ahead and install other applications, as you can see showing here, guys. So make sure this is open. So make sure it's installed. When it's installed, just go out, open your message. So when you open the message of the person you want to play the iGames with, go ahead and click on the plus icon showing beside your screen. So guys, the trick here is that the person you are going to be playing this game with must have the Game Pigeon as well and must have activated his iMessage. So click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, go ahead and click on where it says more. When you click on where it says more, go ahead and click on where it says Game Pigeon. So when you click on Game Pigeon, guys, these are all the games you can play on iMessage. So you just go ahead and send it. Click on it. When you click on it, just go ahead and send it to the person, and the person will play. When the person plays, it's going to be sent. As you can see, guys, when you send the game, when your opponent play, it's going to send you back for you to play. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel.